Hey everybody, how you doing today? Today we're going to make skillet stuffed cabbage, or pick it a blanket, or guamki, or dolobades, whatever you want to call it. But actually we're doing a shortcut. Yesterday I browned a pound and a half of ground turkey with just some salt and pepper. Today I'm going to saute the onion. When the onion is tender, I'm going to add my ground turkey. But what we're going to do for the shortcut is we took a cabbage and we kind of shredded it almost like coleslaw style. And we're actually going to like mix everything together with rice, mint, a couple of big cans of tomato sauce. We're going to add a little water, a little salt and pepper, and it's going to taste just like stuffed cabbage that you got to, cook all day. So what we got over here is a pot of water. Grab my spoon. And we're actually going to blanch the cabbage for about 5 minutes. It will make it tender, almost tender, and it will take away that, stuff that makes you toot. So we're going to go ahead and throw this. This is 6 cups of shredded cabbage. Or if you don't want to shred cabbage yourself, you could actually use 2 bags of coleslaw. That'll be fine. And you can save yourself some time on, shredding coleslaw. Okay, now in this pot, we have our butter going. Just a couple tablespoons of butter. Now we're going to add our onion to this. It was like a medium small onion. It wasn't really that big, less than a cup of chopped onion. And we're going to let this cook. We're going to cook that till it's tender. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a break because it's going to take a few minutes for the cabbage and a couple minutes to saute the onion. So we'll see you in about 4 or 5 minutes. Hi guys, we're back. Our onions got some nice color, golden, a little bit of brown. They're done. Our cabbage is done, kept its nice color. So we're going to toss the cabbage in. And we want to get all that in. Alright, let's mix this around a little bit. Now we're going to toss in the pound and a half of ground turkey. I'm going to break that up and mix it in. And this will only take as long as it takes to cook the brown rice, because we're using brown rice, so brown rice takes a little bit longer. We're using 2/3 of a cup of brown rice. And we have 2 teaspoons of mint. It's just dried mint. Peppermint, like, from the garden. And we're using these 2 larger cans of tomato sauce. And we're going to put a little salt and pepper, like half a teaspoon of salt, because there's plenty of salt in the tomato sauce. And I just kind of eyeball it. And we're going to get our pepper. I'm going to go with like a teaspoon. And we're going to just sprinkle it all over. And I have 2/3 of a cup of rice here. Oop, I'm losing the pot. Let's mix it around. And we'll get our rice in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my water. I got a cup and a half of water that we're going to also add. But we want to get the rest of that tomato sauce. Because see, you get some, goes to the bottom there. You don't want to waste that. My Aunt Marie would give me a palliade if I wasted that. God rest her soul. She was a good cook too. Yeah, there. Clean as a whistle. Okay, we're going to add that. That one too. Clean as a whistle. And now the rest of the water goes in. And give it a stir. Now, brown rice takes, wow, 35 to 45 minutes. So we're just going to cook it up. I'm going to bring it to like just a slow boil. And then I'm going to lower it to a simmer, and then I'm going to put the lid on when it starts to simmer. So don't forget to lower the heat when it starts to simmer, and we'll see you when the brown rice is cooked.